Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC B1145, which indicates a malfunction in the front passenger's power window position detection circuit in the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. Understanding this diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is crucial for ensuring the proper functioning of the vehicle's power window system. DTCs are codes that indicate specific problems within the vehicle's electronic systems, and B1145 specifically refers to issues related to detecting the position of the power window. The power window system involves various components, including switches, motors, and control modules that work together to automate window movement. In the case of detecting a malfunction, certain troubleshooting steps must be followed to isolate and identify the fault correctly. The error description associated with DTC B1145 pertains to a malfunction in the front passenger's power window position detection circuit. This circuit plays a vital role in determining the position of the window, and it relies on components such as the power window switch and the motor. The power window switch is typically located on the driver's door panel, allowing for easy access to operate all windows, including the passenger side. The motor is located inside the passenger door assembly, directly responsible for raising and lowering the window. If the circuit fails or provides inaccurate information, it will lead to the indicated DTC, affecting functionality. Therefore, a clear understanding of these components' roles and locations within the vehicle is essential for effective troubleshooting. When diagnosing DTC B1145, several potential causes must be considered. A faulty power window switch is a common issue, as wear and tear can compromise its function, resulting in incorrect signals to the window motor. The window motor itself can also become defective due to mechanical failure or electrical issues, leading to a malfunction in raising or lowering the window. Additionally, wiring problems, such as damaged or shorted wires, can interrupt the circuits, resulting in the DTC being triggered. Each potential cause must be systematically checked to ensure a thorough diagnosis, as any of these issues could lead to the observed malfunctioning of the window system. There are several symptoms that can manifest when DTC B1145 is present in a Honda Accord. The most apparent symptom is an inoperable front passenger window, where actions to open or close the window will yield no result. Additionally, there might be instances of intermittent window movement, where the window operates sporadically, leading to frustration for passengers. Such inconsistency can often cause confusion and result in the need for further diagnosis. Another symptom includes the appearance of faulty error messages on the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, which will alert the technician of issues that may need to be addressed. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for identifying the need for diagnostic troubleshooting. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1145 involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This is crucial because it sets a clean slate for further diagnostics, ensuring that old codes do not interfere with the current troubleshooting process. Once the DTCs are cleared, the technician can proceed to the next steps with accurate and updated data. This step is important to ensure that when the vehicle is retested, any new codes will directly relate to the current state of the vehicle and aid in diagnosing the issue accurately. Clearing DTCs is a foundational step for an effective troubleshooting process. The second troubleshooting step for DTC B1145 involves turning the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position too. This action essentially power cycles the system, resetting any ongoing processes in the vehicle's electrical system. This power cycling is significant. It ensures that the power window control unit can reinitialize itself properly and check for any lingering issues. After this step, it is crucial to verify that the control unit has resumed normal function, preparing the system for further checks. This method acts as a refresh for the electronic components involved in the power window mechanism. In the third troubleshooting step, manually operate the front passenger's power window using the passenger window switch. This step is essential to assess whether the power window system responds correctly when operated manually. By doing so, you can observe the movements and see if the window operates smoothly or if any abnormalities occur. The results of this manual test can help determine if the issue lies with the window switch or the motor, as inconsistencies may indicate a fault within those components. Careful observation during this operation will provide valuable insights into the state of the power window system. After manually testing the passenger window, the fourth step involves checking for DTCs again, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This step is important to determine whether any new trouble codes, such as B1130 or B1131, appear. If either of these codes is present, it indicates that the issue may not solely be related to the B1145 DTC and requires further investigation into the new codes. If neither code is present, it signifies that the window system may have recovered, and you can move on to the next steps in the troubleshooting process. Thorough checks at this stage are pivotal, as they help clarify the nature of the fault within the window system. The next troubleshooting step involves resetting both the power window control unit and the front passenger's power window control unit. This reset is crucial for clearing any glitches that may have caused temporary failures in the system. While the control units are generally reliable, they can sometimes encounter software or electrical issues, leading to erroneous signals. By resetting these units, you effectively clear their memory and restore normal operational parameters. Following this reset, the technician can be assured that the system is reinitialized, ready for the next round of diagnostics, and can help in determining whether the fault persists. In this step, the technician will once again use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to check for any DTCs. The primary goal here is to determine if DTC B1145 is still present after executing the preceding diagnostic steps. If the code remains, it suggests that a deeper issue persists in the system, prompting the technician to proceed to further checks involving component substitution and deeper diagnostics. Conversely, if the light indicating DTC B1145 is off, it indicates that the system has successfully recovered from the problem, suggesting that the previous troubleshooting steps addressed the fault. This check is vital in concluding a successful troubleshooting process. The seventh step entails substituting the front passenger's power window switch with a known good unit. This substitution is crucial as it provides a definitive test of whether the original switch was contributing to the problem. By using a switch that is confirmed to be functional, the technician can ascertain whether the fault lies within the switch or another component. After replacing the switch, the technician should again manually operate the window to observe its functionality. If the window operates correctly afterward, this indicates that the original switch was faulty, leading to the need for replacement. Should the issue persist, the technician must then investigate other components, such as the power window motor. Next, after substituting the switch, the technician should open and close the front passenger's power window using the new switch. This manual test is essential for observing any changes in performance and determining whether the replacement resolved the issue. The technician should closely monitor the movement of the window to see if it operates smoothly without stuttering or jamming. Observations made at this stage will clarify whether the component substitution effectively addressed the problem. If the window now functions seamlessly, it confirms that the original switch was indeed the failing component. Conversely, if issues persist, further investigation into the motor or wiring is necessary. The last troubleshooting step involves performing a final check of DTCs with the HDS. This is done to ascertain whether the B1145 code remains after substituting the front passenger's window switch. If DTC B1145 is still indicated, it suggests that the motor for the front passenger's window may have failed, indicating the need for replacement of the front passenger's door regulator. On the other hand, if the code does not appear, it confirms that the replacement switch resolved the issue and the system has successfully regained functionality. At this moment, it is essential to document findings and actions undertaken during the troubleshooting process for future reference and to ensure that the vehicle is returned in an optimal state. After completing the troubleshooting process for DTC B1145, it is imperative to perform a final repair verification. This check confirms that all functions of the front passenger's power window work as intended. The technician should ensure that the window opens and closes smoothly and is free from any issues. Additionally, rechecking for any remaining DTCs with the HDS is crucial. No DTCs should be present post-repair to ensure that the system is functioning correctly. This step typically marks the conclusion of the repair process, ensuring that the vehicle leaves the workshop in safe and optimal operating condition. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in sustaining the functionality of the power window system in the Honda Accord. Regular checks of the window switches and motors can preempt issues before they escalate into significant malfunctions. Technicians should pay special attention to the wiring to ensure its integrity, as frayed or damaged wires can lead to future faults. Additionally, using high-quality replacement parts during repairs ensures that components can withstand the wear associated with daily use. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule will assist in early identification of any potential problems, helping maintain optimal vehicle performance and longevity. In conclusion, DTC B1145 is indicative of an issue within the front passenger's power window position detect circuit in the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. It is vital to follow the prescribed troubleshooting steps carefully to diagnose the underlying cause effectively. The troubleshooting process involves clear communication between the technician and the diagnostic tools to ensure accurate identification of the fault. Regular preventive maintenance is equally important to sustain the power window system's reliability and prevent similar issues in the future. Understanding and addressing the nuances of DTC-related problems help maintain the vehicle's functionality and enhance the owner's driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.